I feel like the community kitchen is going to be the nucleus of Bistro 6. Bistro 6 is a community where we're inspired by culinary adventure, and this is going to be a huge part of that story.
It's funny you mention that because we always say in the restaurant community, the kitchen is the heartbeat of the actual restaurant.
So great.
And so this is where everyone from the community can come in and socialize and maybe meet their neighbors and cook and have some fun.
I agree. I think it's going to be a hangout space, but I feel like it's going to be the hub of this community. Bistro 6 is going to be known for its community kitchen.
Bringing neighbors together.
One slice of apple pie at a time.